In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your notification settings in Trello. Managing notifications is crucial in maintaining your workflow efficiency and ensuring that you react promptly to tasks without becoming overwhelmed by excessive alerts. Let's dive right into how you can adjust these notifications to suit your preferences. First, open your browser and head over to Trello.com. You'll want to log in to access your workspace. Click on the login button and you'll be given an option to sign in using your email or your Google account. This flexibility makes it easy to access Trello without remembering yet another password. Once you've logged in, navigate to the board section. You'll find this in the Your Workspaces area. Here you can see all the boards that you are a part of. This section is where you can manage teams and view projects, making it the heart of your Trello experience. Find the specific board you want to manage and click on it to proceed. In the upper right corner of your board, you'll find your account icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu where you can access various personal settings related to your Trello account. Find and click on the settings option. It's the gateway to tailoring Trello to fit your unique needs, including notification preferences. Now scroll down to the email notifications section. Here, Trello allows you to modify how often you receive notifications. The options typically include immediate alerts, a daily summary, or even a weekly overview. Choosing the right frequency ensures that you're informed without being disrupted too often. You'll notice options to select all notifications at once or clear all selections with a single click. This feature is particularly useful for users who want to start fresh and pick only the crucial alerts they want to receive. It's all about making Trello work for you, not against you. For those who wish to customize more granularly, look at individually selecting the alerts you want. This level of customization aids in focusing on what really matters to you and cuts down the noise of irrelevant notifications. By the end of this process, you should have a streamlined notification setup tailored specifically to your workflow. Remember, the goal of any tool is to enhance your productivity and not hinder it, so it's worth revisiting these settings periodically as your projects and teams evolve. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Trello effectively. Until next time, happy organizing.